Meaning of dispensation.
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 Dispensation. Dispensation generally means the act of distributing or administering something, often in an organized and systematic way. The result of a dispensation can vary depending on the context. In the religious sense, it can refer to the granting of exemption or relaxation from certain religious obligations. In legal contexts, it can refer to the granting of permission or the release of an obligation. In a broader sense, dispensation can also refer to a specific period of time or historical era when certain norms, laws, or customs were in effect.